Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Kids, before moving towards our today's lesson, I will give you a moral lesson. And our today's moral lesson is do good, have good. It means that if we will do good, we will have good. कि अगर हम दूसरों के साथ अच्छा करेंगे तो हमारे साथ अच्छा होगा. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हमारी क्लास में किसी स्टूडेंट के पास पेंसिल नहीं है तो आज हम उसके साथ पेंसिल शेयर कर रहे हैं, तो कल हमारे पास नहीं होगी तो वो हमारे साथ हैप्पी होकर शेयर करेगा. ठीक है. इसी तरह अल्लाह ताला भी हमसे खुश होंगे कि अगर हम कोई भी अच्छा काम करते हैं तो रिटर्न में अल्लाह ताला भी हमें रिवॉर्ड देंगे. सो किड्स, डू गुड एंड हैव गुड. Our today's topic is question answer, and we will do it on primer A, page 67. Before moving towards our classwork, I will tell you about questions. क्वेश्चन होते क्या हैं? क्वेश्चन मीन टू आस्क समथिंग. क्वेश्चन का क्या मीनिंग है? टू आस्क समथिंग, कुछ पूछना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वेयर आर यू गोइंग, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, इज दिस अ बॉल, इज दिस अ कैट, where is the cat. These are different type of questions. Questions means पूछना, to inquire something, and this is sign of question mark. Okay, and this will come at the end of the question. Okay बेटा, ये साइन जो है वो क्वेश्चन के एंड पे आता है. दिस इज साइन ऑफ क्वेश्चन मार्क. Okay kids, take out your primer A, New Oxford Modern English, primer A. Open page 67. First of all, you will read heading with me, and our heading is WRITE, right. WRITE, right. Hurry up, read with me. QUES, quest, TIONS, chance, questions, AND, and ANSWERS, answers. Write questions and answers. We have to write questions and then we will write answers. Okay, here is question number 1. Read with me. IS is, THIS this, HAND, hand. Is this a hand? And there is question mark at the end. Look at the picture. Is this a hand? Yes, yes. YES, yes, comma, IT8 IS is. Is this a hand? Yes, it is. अगर बेटा वो चीज़ पिक्चर में होगी तो हम राइट करेंगे येस इट इज़, और अगर वो पिक्चर में वो चीज़ नहीं बनी हुई तो हम राइट करेंगे नो. ओके, देन लुक एट द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. IS is, THIS this, BABY, baby, and what is at the end? Question mark. Is this a baby? Look at the picture. Is this a baby? Yes, yes, comma, IT8 IS is. Yes, it is. Okay, you have to trace BABY, baby. Hurry up, trace it. Then look at the next question. Is dash BOOK book, question mark. Is dash book? No, comma, it dash. Then it is dash. Okay, first of all, in first line you will write IS is, give one finger gap, write THIS this, again give one finger gap, write A, again give one finger gap, write BOOK, book, and you will and there is question mark at the end. Is this a book? Look at the picture. Is this the book? Is this a picture of a book? No. Okay, NO, no, comma, IT8, you will give one finger gap and you will write IS is, again you will give one finger gap and you will write NOT, not, and you will mark full stop at the end. Okay, what is our answer? They are asking, is this a book? Our answer is no, it is not. No, it is not. So what is this? It is a ball. IT8 IS is, you will give one finger gap and write A, again give one finger gap, write BALL, ball. It is a ball, and you will mark full stop at the end. Now look at the next question. Dash PEN, pen, CIL, cell, question mark, dash pencil, and again there is dash. Okay, On first blank you will write capital I-S is, you will give one finger gap, you will write T-H-I-S this, again you will give one finger gap, you will write A, and again you will give one finger gap and you will write P-E-N, pen, C-I-L, seal, and there is question mark at the end. Is this a pencil? Okay, and what will be our answer? Yes, 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 comma, IT 8, you will give one finger gap, write IS is and mark full stop at the end. Okay, beta our question is this a pencil? Picture में pencil है, so we will write yes, comma, it is and we will mark full stop at the end. Okay, our next question is dash, COW, cow, and there is question mark, and no, comma, it, dash, and again there is dash. Okay, on first line you will write capital I-S is, give one finger gap, write T-H-I-S this, again give one finger gap, write A, is this A, again give one finger gap and there is COW, cow, and question mark. Is this a cow? Look at the picture. Is this a picture of a cow? No, no, comma, IT 8, you will give one finger gap, you will write ISS, again you will give one finger gap, you will write NOT, not, and you will mark full stop at the end. No, it is not. They are asking, is this a cow? No, it is not. Then what is this? It is a goat. On next line, you will write capital IT 8. You will give one finger gap. You will write IS is. Again, you will give one finger gap. You will write A. And again, you will give one finger gap. You will write GOAT, goat. And you will mark full stop at the end. Okay, it is a goat. Now look at the next question, dash, M-A and man, G-O, go, dash, mango, and again there is dash. Okay, and on first line you will write capital I-S is, you will give one finger gap, you will write T-H-I-S this, again you will give one finger gap, you will write A, and then you will write M-A and man, G-O, go, mango. Is this a mango? Okay, look at the picture. This is the picture of a mango. Then you will write Y-E-S, yes, Y will be capital, then comma, then you will give one finger gap, you will write IT 8, again you will give one finger gap and you will write IS is, and you will mark full stop at the end. Is this a mango? Yes, it is. Okay beta, in this way you will complete your page. And now your home task is to complete this page carefully. Okay kids, take care. Allah Hafiz.